Hey guys, today in this video I'll show you how you can make Facebook account completely private on phone. So keep watching till the very end and let's get started. First of all, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Now tap on the menu icon at bottom right corner and this page will be displayed. Here, scroll down a little bit, tap on Settings and Privacy, and then select Settings from the drop-down menu. Now tap on the Privacy Checkup feature and a bunch of features will appear. Simply tap on the first tile and change the privacy to Only Me for each and everything. Once you are done with it, tap on the next button and tap on this Custom button. Here, tap on the custom list and select the friends you want to share your story with. After you are done, go back and advance to the next step. Again, tap on Next and select Review another topic. From this page, select the second tile, tap on Review and skip the first step. Now, tap on Next and again skip the last step. After that, select the third tile, continue to the next step and change it to Friends of Friends. Once done, proceed to the next stage and edit the audience to No One. Then tap on Next and you are done. Now you can just access this website's feature and remove any unnecessary links. After that, close the settings and that's it. So that's basically how you can make Facebook account completely private on phone. So that's all for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.